Guys, we are in the Rolls-Royce Cullinan right now, one of the smoothest, easiest interiors ever. This car has the mandarin orange interior with navy blue accents all over it. So it's not like a full orange, it has navy blue accents. It looks really nice. This car was actually a navy blue color on the outside as well before we wrapped it. So now with this gray, the orange and the blue still works honestly pretty well. So this car has been my customer's daily driver. He drives this every day, treats it kind of like a regular car, but the Cullinan is technically a regular car. People are gonna hate on me for saying that, but it really is for the guys in LA that have money. It's like a Range Rover, that kind of car, and they use it and abuse it. This car had a lot of things going on all around it, and we had to fix it before we did the wrap, obviously. So it came in for a refreshment. It had several damages all over, honestly, front, back, side. The door had like a chunk missing out of it. It was bad, but we fixed it, and now it looks amazing. The interior needs a little bit of a nice cleaning as well. We're going to be doing that for him as well. But yeah, this Cullinan came out nice, you know. And the next Cullinan we have coming up is that Novatech one with that gorgeous cobalt blue interior. We'll show you guys some of that interior. We just showed you the Phantom red interior, which was crazy. So we're showing you a lot of Rolls-Royce colorful interiors. And honestly, that's what really set Rolls-Royce apart this last couple of years, was their colorful interiors that hit tremendously well. So we hope to do more of them, but yeah, on to the next one. All right, guys, we have something really cool and special to show you guys. We have a G63 Mercedes-Benz behind me. This was in a white color, so a full white and black G63. Had red accents all over that we had done previously. This customer wanted to change up the car. He loves the G63, but he wanted to change it up. And here you go. He wanted it to be as close as Arabian gray color as possible from Mercedes-Benz. So we went ahead and found this really nice gloss Nardo gray color. And as you can see, it looks incredible. You cannot see a speck of white. We did the door jams, took everything apart, took the doors off the car, did it all correct. This kind of wrap takes some time, but we got it done really, really nice. He also wanted to switch the red to blue accents. So you see a blue wrapped pinstripe along the wheel. We painted the brake calipers blue. We also did a blue two stripes on the front grille. So really cool to show it a little blue pop to it. A lot of these G-Wagons, all of them have the red, honestly. So this blue is pretty cool to see. This is, other than that, it's a stock car, literally. No mods on it except for the wrap and the blue accents. So hope you guys like it. Of these two wrapped cars, both of these cars have been wrapped meticulously, taking doors off, doing door jams, all that stuff. They are in the same family line of colors. As you can see, this is actually Nardo gray and this is a chalk gray. So obviously this is the lighter version of that. Really cool to see the difference in the same frame because they are very different. The blue accent set that off, the orange accent set this off. This one has a set of RDB wheels on there, color matched, so it looks cool. And like I said, we did all the trims on this one. So all the chrome has been deleted with the wrap. So no more chrome except for the front grille slats over there. Those are still chrome. Car's lowered as well. And this it's a pretty cool color to see. No body kit or anything like that. Just wheels, lowering, and wrap. So let us know in the comments which gray you guys like more. The Nardo gray wrap or the chalk gray. We are inside the RDB paint booth right here. This is all in-house, as you guys already know. We are standing around scattered parts of Rolls-Royce Ghost. This is a new Ghost that came to us. It is in a beautiful Tempest gray color with mandarin orange interior. And this customer ordered wheels from us, which are coming actually tomorrow. And all the chrome trims have been removed from the car, prepped, and now painted. We are actually in the middle of doing clear coat. So the parts right now have the Tempest gray paint on it, but they still have to be clear coated. So they look a little bit matte right now. But we have around the grille, we have the large window moldings. A lot of people don't take those off because they're scared. A lot of moldings right here, door handles. Just to paint the little door handle, little button, you have to take it all apart and paint it one by one. We got window moldings, we got door handles. A lot of pieces go into those door handles. And then we have the rear trunk trim, rear taillights, and more door handle components. So a lot going on there. Once we shoot all this, we take it out, we buff it, and we put it back on the car, put the wheels, and that car is gonna look amazing. So stay tuned for that one. Check out this interior.
Why you don't buy one like this?
Just got that Phantom done with that insane interior. I mean, this is why you're paying the big bucks, because you get interiors like this. This Cullinan is gorgeous. Cobalt blue, captain seating like that Phantom. And as you can see now, the entire side of it has been wrapped in satin black. We did clear bra on the gloss black sections. And the entire Novatec body kit has been wrapped as well. So we're going to be installing the whole Novatec kit. This is the version 2. This is the new one from Novatec. It's going to look completely different than the previous version. Nobody's done it in the United States yet, so we're super excited to put it on. Luis right now is working on the rear end, which has a diffuser, bumper. I have to give you the exhaust tips. So a lot to do. Hopefully in the next episode or so, we're going to have this finished up and show you guys.
Have flat tires.
No way. Too many wheelies?
Hmm?
Too many wheelies?
I guess that's the problem. I don't want to do no more wheelies with this shit. Yeah.
Is it bad?
Oh, I ride this morning on the freeway and I feel so weird. I push gas, you know, but I feel like a lazy, right?
Because
so
you're tired.
I pass on the little channels dividing in the freeway, you know, the lines. So I feel like I'm moving like very bad.
Oh.
If you have a bike like this.
If you have a bike like this, Luis can repair it.
No.
No.
Hey, it's bad, man.
It's bad?
Yeah.
Is there a nail? Or is it?
No, man.
Time to get a new bike.
Hmm?
A new bike.
I guess it's time to throw away this shit. Who won it?
Giveaway.
Give away free.
The AMG GT finally returns. Mercedes has stripped it down. No longer a bespoke platform. No more rear-mounted dual clutch transaxle or dry sump.
BMW fucker.
4-liter twin-turbo V8 with a 9-speed automatic transmission.
Oof. Does this smoke the M5?
This is all-wheel drive. It has 4 seats, so really cool, actually.
I'll take this over BMW any day.
Pretty cool.
It shits on BMW.
The video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.